Different types of bolts. Anchor bolt is a fastener used to attach objects or structures to concrete. There are many types of anchor bolts consisting of designs that are mostly proprietary to manufacturing companies. Square head bolts are best used in tight or dark spaces. Carriage bolts are a type of hexagon bolt specialized for use in woodworking. Hanger bolts are made with a tapered lag screw thread on one end and a machine bolt thread on the other and used in timber construction. Flange bolts have a circular flange under the head that acts like a washer to distribute the load. Flange bolts that are known as serrated are sometimes called frame bolts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.